As we venture back into the world, more and more people and institutions are adopting touchless technology to keep people and their families safe. Through Antuar's inBranch Kiosk touchless technology and using Technisys mobile phone interface, customers can now log into the kiosk or intelligent teller machines directly from their mobile phones. Presented in this video are the mobile banking interface and the kiosk screen. The touchless session with the kiosk starts with the customers logging into their mobile banking application and selecting the touchless solution from the menu. The customer uses their phone to scan the QR code displayed on the kiosk. This generates a secure one-time password needed to establish the connection between the phone and the kiosk. Once authenticated, the customer can now control the kiosk from their mobile phones and have access to all the functionality that is available on the kiosk. This allows the customer to interact with the machine from their mobile phone without having to physically touch the screen or PIN pad. All of the functionality available on the kiosk, including remote or local assistance, is also available to the customer. The full flow of the transaction is completed using the customer's own phone, and all of the interaction with the machine is done through this interface. With Antuar's inBranch Kiosk touchless technology and using Technisys mobile phone interface, withdrawals that only require you to physically handle the cash or check and remove it from the machine to complete the transaction are now possible at your fingertips.